Hi, it's Jonathan from Castle Heaters. Today I wanted to introduce to you the new Castle Nebula upright stand heater. We do these in both black outer casings and silver, both aluminium. These are probably the highest quality upright stand heaters that we do, and the main feature about them is this special tube in here. Now it's a carbon element, so it's a very heavy duty element, it's a long life element, but the big feature about the carbon fibre tube is that it's really efficient on electricity. So these are actually 2 kilowatt heaters. You can use them on either 1 kilowatt or 2 kilowatt, and there's actually 9 settings on there as well. But the main element of it is that when you switch it on and you've got it on 2 kilowatts, it doesn't use a great deal of electricity. It's really efficient on power consumption. So I would probably give this an equivalent rating to a standard 3 kilowatt heat element, and this is the special 2 kilowatt carbon tube. One other big benefit of the Nebula is, of course, that these particular units are Ip65 rated, which is the highest waterproofing rating on an electrical heating appliance. What that means is that you don't leave it outdoors in the pouring rain, but if it does happen to rain when it's outside, then if they do get wet, it's not a massive issue. You could just dry it off with a dry cloth and then put it away. So one question people ask a lot is, how much do these heaters actually cost to run? Obviously that's going to depend on your tariff, but as a rule of thumb you can work on about 14 pence per kilowatt hour. So this is a 2 kilowatt tube, so you'd be talking 28 pence per kilowatt hour. So it's very reasonable. So another feature of the Nebula is the really heavy duty stand that it comes with. This is probably our best stand. It's fully adjustable. You can adjust the base and you can also adjust the height, so you can get it up to about 1.8 meters in height. It's very solid. It's made of aluminium, so it's a steel frame as well, and you've got 3 big rubber feet on the bottom. So if it is sat on a nice white tile surface or a patio, or even if you use it indoors sometimes, then it's not going to mark a carpet or mark the floor at all. Another feature of the stand is on the actual back of the stand there's a wing nut, and you can actually angle the angle of the head. So if you want it pointing up at 45 degrees or down at 45 degrees or just straight ahead, that's up to you. You can actually adjust it on the back and then lock it into place.